morning, everyone. I'm Joseph Ikeno. I'm proud to be the host HTS coordinator for this visit. I'm happy for the entire team who visited the county and they were able to crisscross around the county and offer them mentorship and support for the HTS team. All the issues that have been mentioned in this visit, ranging from technical to HRH, those are issues that we've taken note of them, and together with the office, load of program, we are going to take up those action points and follow them to the letter. Also, I want to appreciate our central team for granting the team to come over and offer the mentorship and support. Without forgetting our program team, being led by Chris Wheeler, really indebted that they were able to accept the team to come over and be able to visit all these sites and support. I wish next time the team would be allowed to come over just to follow up on what they have started, so that at the end we succeed as a program. Thank you very much, without forgetting the MOH team who have been very supportive in terms of HTS and being in particular throughout this activity. They have been in forefront in ensuring that this visit will be a success. So I really appreciate them and looking forward working with them in order to address issues that came up. I also want to appreciate my colleagues at the sub-county level, being led by the program officers at M&D, for taking lead on HTS indicators and ensuring that we meet the donors target. And also the CHMT being led by the ESCASCO to ensure that the first 95 succeeds.